Hello guys! In today's video we're going to look at the Dell Alienware AW2518H gaming monitor. This is definitely one of my favourite monitors out there, so I decided to make a video just about this one. If you want to see its most up-to-date price and find out more information about it, you can check out the links in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest technology news. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Last year, Dell released their new line of monitors, including the AW2518H and the AW3418DW. They rose quickly and became some of the most loved gaming monitors out there because of their features and their sleek design. Quality doesn't come cheap, so these monitors cost a bit more than your average monitors, but they're definitely worth every penny. The Alienware AW2518H is a 25-inch monitor which has a 240Hz refresh rate, and it's able to run on 240Hz without the need to overclock. The monitor has a very unique design which looks pretty futuristic, and that would look great on any gaming rig. One of the most striking features of the Alienware AW2518H is its angular metal stand that has a few nifty features. Even though I'm not a fan of fancy RGB lights on gaming peripherals, I love the fully customizable glowing lights on the screen's back panel. They really make the monitor look amazing as a whole and very futuristic. It offers 4 inches of height adjustment, and you can also tilt, swivel or pivot the display to your liking, so no matter if you like to play your games while lying down or standing up, it's very easy to adjust. It's VESA compatible, but I doubt anyone would want to replace the stand it comes with. When it comes to connectivity ports, this monitor includes a DisplayPort 1.2, HDMI 1.4, 4 USB 3.0 ports and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The Alienware AW2518H boasts a 24.5-inch TN panel with a 1920x1080 resolution, native 240Hz refresh rate, 1 ms response time and a 1000:1 contrast ratio. Some people complain about the 1920x1080 resolution, but real gamers only care about the speed and the response times of a monitor, so that shouldn't be a huge problem for you. This type of screen is more focused on speed and responsiveness, so if you're looking for a monitor which has better visuals, you should look elsewhere. I'm not saying that the display is terrible, on the contrary, it's much better than most of the 1920x1080 resolution panels. Another great thing this monitor has is the G-Sync capability. I've heard people say that G-Sync is a made-up thing, so companies can sell more monitors, but that's completely wrong. And I can easily say that G-Sync is one of the best technologies of the recent years. With G-Sync, your NVIDIA graphics card will work together with your monitor to bring you the most fluid and smooth gaming experience ever. If you don't have an NVIDIA graphics card, there is a FreeSync version of this monitor which works well with AMD graphics cards. So, is this the monitor for you? Let's take a look. If you play fast-paced games such as Counter-Strike Global Offensive, Overwatch or any other fast-paced games, you'll get the most out of your gaming experience and you'll love the things this monitor has to offer. On the other hand, if you play slow games like PUBG, you'd be better with a monitor that has a larger resolution, such as the Alienware AW3418DW. When I mentioned earlier that the only drawback on this monitor is its 1920x1080 resolution, this is what I was referring to. However, even though larger resolutions perform better on those games, this monitor will still be much better than any other monitor you've played games like PUBG on, so you shouldn't consider it a huge drawback. The features it has to offer definitely make up for the lack of resolution. Another thing people consider as a drawback is the anti-glare coating. The monitor has a 3H hardness anti-glare layer, which provides ample light rejection and a clear, grain-free picture, but some people complain that sometimes it makes the picture look blurry. On our tests, we didn't notice anything like that, but it's still worth noting. As soon as I took this monitor out of the box, I plugged it in and got into a competitive game. As soon as I got in the game, I felt like I'd been playing on an old CRT monitor from the 2000s until now. The difference was huge, because the monitor we tested before this one was a 75Hz monitor from Asus. Jumping from 75Hz to 240Hz monitor is like the difference between day and night. I was definitely impressed, and I noticed that my gameplay improved a lot too. To conclude, I would say that if you play games such as CSGO, Overwatch or other fast-paced games, you'll absolutely love this monitor. I'd also say that the price is pretty reasonable considering it's a 1ms 240Hz G-Sync monitor, so if you're in the market for a monitor to upgrade your gaming arsenal, you shouldn't look any further. Go with the Alienware AW2518H. Thanks for watching, I hope you liked this video. If you want to find out more information about this monitor, you can check out the links in the description and the comments section below. If you have any questions related to it, please leave a comment below and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.